Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You know, Epic Tours, fun, food, travel, adventure. That's what I'm about. So today we went to Jamaica Zoo. You guys will see the footage of that. It was so much fun. I got to see so many animals and learned a lot thanks to the help of Miss Novia, who was my tour guide. She really helped and taught me a lot about these animals. The only thing I didn't like was a frog. You guys know. And this wasn't like an animal in the zoo. This was just a random frog. But other than that, it was great. I would definitely recommend it. The petting zoo area also is fine. It's funny. I'm okay with a snake, but a frog, it doesn't work. Alright guys, so I just came, parked over that side where you see Jamaica Zoo. I am like one of the first persons here, which is what I wanted. I wanted to come when it was empty. So yeah, let's get started. So I guess this is where you can get like snacks and food, but they're just literally putting everything together. So I'm going to get started and look to welcome us. Alright guys, so I'm here. I'm literally just waiting for them to come and do the petting area because as I said, I'm early, which is good, so nobody's here, no COVID. Don't listen to me. But this is pretty much the petting area, and I guess where you can get like where you can sit and eat and all of that jazz. But so far I'm just here waiting. I'm trying to figure out what some of these animals are. I still want to know like what's this little one here that's hiding up top that I showed you earlier. That little tail, that little bushy tail, no idea what it is. But hey, let's see. But I love the property, to be honest, and well, so far what I've seen, I haven't really seen it fully yet. And then they have the birds on the outside here all perched up. Let me show you them. Alright, so there they are.
Welcome to Jamaica Zoo. My name is Sanita and I will be in charge of the petting zoo. We will get to touch and interact with some of our animals. So first up we have Lips, so we're going to welcome Lips, alright?
Lips. That's Lips?
Yes, that's Lips.
That's funny.
On that one.
So guys, you see who Lips is? Okay. So Lips is a snake. Okay. So let's see. You know, oh, they actually feel softer than I thought. Okay. It's not the best feeling, but it's softer than I thought.
So, this is a ball python snake. Ball python snakes, they're one of the most friendly snakes of the snake family.
Oh, yeah?
In the snake family, you have over 2,900 species. Out of that 2,900 species, 375 are considered to be venomous. You know what venomous means?
Yes.
What's
Dangerous.
You can use their skin to make like leather, shoes, belts, bracelets, handbags, and more.
Alright.
The diets consist of like rodents. Rodents are mammals that nibbles, for example, rats, capybaras, hamsters, etc. They have 200 teeth placing backwards in their mouth. That's not used for chewing, that's used for securing their prey. So snake don't sting, snake won't.
Right.
Alright?
You said 200?
Over 200.
Up to 2, okay.
Maybe less because
This one's gone, yeah.
Alright?
Right.
So they can grow from 3 to 5 feet in length, and they're called ball python because whenever they feel threatened, they try to coil themselves into a ball.
Oh.
Alright, so I'm going to take some pictures for you now.
Okay. yellow. Yellow is big as hell.
Talking to me this morning.
Bye. After three, we're gonna say a big hello. 1, 2, 3. Hello.
Oh, hello. Hi.
Hello. Hi. Hi.
Hi. Not talking to me. Hi. Yeah.
What? We're asking you to repeat what? I'm gonna have to Google that.
What is
You
she
need to
saying?
speak up a little clearer. Less tongue. Pretty, pretty? Did you say pretty, pretty?
Oh, attitude.
I'm
Whatever.
I'm gonna Google it, Miss. Yeah, she's just gonna go turn right around when she says no food, not in there. She say, you trick me. You know no food.
She's very upset.
So you can just see how the water goes right off.
Right.
Goes right off of her. Yes. So that's Raven. I'm sorry, Raven. I forgot to bring food. I'm so
Raven,
sorry.
she tricked you. Right? Next time you don't come back.
I'm so sorry.
That is creepy.
It is a carn.
This plant is called? No, I don't. Wait, is it Noni?
Do you know its nickname?
No.
Duppy sauce.
Oh,
So me and my
I have heard that.
me and my country bunk himself will see it and say, Duppy so what's up? And they're like, huh? It's like the plant, you don't know it being there. No, I'm like trying to remember it.
Come, I'm afraid. What are you looking for?
Come.
Oh, I see him.
So over here we have our American crocodiles. There are actually two. But at the moment I think I've only seen the female. At the moment that's just a lot, that's not the male. I guess the male is either down in that side of the pond. So the crocodiles and alligators on a whole, they have a very straight vertebrae and it's hard for them to turn corners, which is it is advised when running from one, you run in a zigzag motion. Now you might be running in that zigzag motion and you think to yourself, well, I'm going to climb one tree because crocodile can't climb tree. Not true. If that tree is above water, you have to try to reach to the very top because depending on that crocodile's body mass, they can jump up to 6 feet into the air.
Oh.
Yes. Actually have 5 toes. Yes, me know. See a man inside. Thank you. They can be blue, they can be yellow, and she's in her natural state as green, and they can even be brown.
Ah.
Yes.
Right. Yes, I see you swinging. That's right. Where you going? Up? That just looks like so much fun, guys. Like, yeah.
Oh, one leg? Oh my, okay. She can be very clumsy at times, you know, even though you see her swinging and showing off. Kristen can be very clumsy.
Oh, wait. Look at those two. Oh.
Big kisser bus or not.
So
yes,
guys, those are the parents. And that's
yes, we know this.
That's the child. That's one family in here actually, and I think that's so cool. Look at all of them.
Sorry, they resembled monks when they had their hood.
I just said lions.
But I'm proud to say that these lions are Jamaican. They were born right here in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth.
Well, look at that.
And one's named Santa, and the other is named Santi.
They look aggressive.
They're very friendly to each other.
To each other?
Yes, and they can be very nice.
Them sound stressed. You got that, right? Middle quarters. You can't go to St. Elizabeth and not get some shrimp from middle quarters. Right? So that's like no, you can't come to middle quarters without getting some peppered shrimp. And if you want, you can come right out by this is what the square? Middle quarters square. And you can come and ask for Sharon has the good shrimp, I tell you. See there? It's a nice hard shell. If anybody likes the small hard shell ones, I love those. Right.
Shrimp, and this is the sea one. The one
right, that is it.
Shell,
yeah. So you have the sea one, which is a little bit softer, right?
And these are the river one, the original river shrimp.
Those are the good ones, guys. The river shrimp. You see them? Nice. And especially you must ask for extra pepper. Alright? Yes. So you must come ask for Sharon for the nice.
But we put extra pepper on it.
Yeah, man. And that is it. If you love spicy, it's the place to be. And then you can show me the other one to see.
So what I have here, darling.
Alright, so
this
she has
Tanya.
This is who? Tanya,
yes.
guys.
And we have the nice pepper shrimp here in middle quarters. We have the sea one, we have the hard shell one, which some people do really love. Right. And we have the river one, which Sharon have.
Right.
Just now.
But what I realize is people tend to, because somebody was saying it, the hard shell ones, people tend to call them shrimp, but isn't it crayfish?
Yes.
But it's still
crayfish. I would say it's a farmer. It's not, it's a the hard shell is a species.
Okay, I get you.
Right, so just a different species, but same shrimp.
Because I like both of them, you know, I just tend to, I don't know, I prefer the crisp fast. But thank you guys so much. I'm going to really enjoy these. Remember to follow, like, share, subscribe. My name is EpicTourzZ on